Welcome to my channel, Come With Debbie. Now in this episode, I'm going to show you how to fold those PandO luggage labels. So if you're on a PandO cruise, you'd have downloaded one of these. Now you probably think, oh my goodness, how do I fold this? Now I'm going to show you. So you turn it over and then you fold the thicker side B on the line. You can see there's a line here, or if I hold it up, you'll see there's like an actual line. So you fold that over quite neatly. So that's your thick side B, you fold over first. Then you get your side A, the thin one, and you look down the line, you fold it over to side B on the line and get it neat as you can on the line. That's it. So the back looks like that and the front looks like that. You've got the line down the middle here. You basically just fold D and C in the middle like that and you're done. So this is the front, and now this will be on the inside with all your name and details. So you fold it that way. Some people just attach it to their suitcase, hand luggage, whatever, and staple it because it's really quite robust. It's not really going to go anywhere. Other folk like me put it in one of these, a luggage label holder. These are really quite good because they're waterproof. And you just slip it in like that. So that is how you fold a luggage label. I would also be grateful if you could subscribe and like my channel. And I hope you have a happy sailing. Take care now and thank you for watching.